Welcome back to Auto One. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive excellence with the 2025 Ferrari F250. This latest marvel from the Italian powerhouse blends cutting-edge technology with Ferrari's legendary performance pedigree. Let's talk power. Underneath that sleek aerodynamic hood lies a powerhouse, a hybrid V8 engine paired with electric motors, delivering a staggering output of over 1,000 horsepower. This means blistering acceleration and jaw-dropping top speeds that push the boundaries of what's possible on the road. But it's not just about raw power. The F250 embodies Ferrari's commitment to innovation and sustainability. The hybrid setup not only enhances performance, but also boosts fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, making it a standout in its class. Inside, the F250 is a blend of luxury and driver-focused design. Premium materials adorn every surface, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the carbon fiber accents. The cockpit is a marvel of technology, featuring a customizable digital display that puts all vital information at your fingertips. On the road, the F250 is more than just a car, it's an experience. Ferrari's engineers have fine-tuned every aspect of the driving dynamics to deliver unparalleled handling and responsiveness. Whether you're carving through corners or cruising down the highway, the F250 offers an exhilarating drive. And of course, a Ferrari wouldn't be complete without its iconic design. The F250 is a work of art, with sleek lines and aggressive styling that turn heads wherever it goes. From its sculpted front end to its quad exhausts, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance both form and function. Let's not forget about technology. The F250 is packed with state-of-the-art features, including advanced driver assistance systems and connectivity options that keep you in control, no matter where your journey takes you. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari F250 is more than just a car. It's a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection. With unmatched performance, a luxurious interior, striking design, and cutting-edge technology, the F250 sets a new standard for what a supercar can be. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Auto One.